Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. Today I bring you 3 DIYs for my guest bathroom using Dollar Tree items. Alright, so I am starting with 2 items from the Dollar Tree. This is a terracotta pot that I got for my summer decorations but never used, and a little party clear plastic plate that you would use for like a birthday party or a wedding. And I'm going to hot glue and also E6000 them together. And once that is complete, I am then going to take Rustoleum Chalked paint in the linen white and give it 1 full coat.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with...
And then once the paint was fully dry, I am going to take Rustoleum Chalk paint in the aged gray, and this is a stenciling brush that I got at the Dollar Tree a while ago. I'm just going to use it to dry brush some of that gray all over both the plate and the pot, because I wanted to have a farmhouse distressed look. So I'm just gonna, it's kind of like a dry brush, but maybe just a little heavier on the paint than a regular dry brush technique that I would use. And I'm gonna do that on the edge, on the pot, as well as on the top of the plate.
Things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone.
And after this was done, I let it dry, and I'll show you what it looks like here at the end of the video when I put everything together. Alright, so for my second DIY, I'm going to take nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. This is leftover rope that I had. I did another project, who knows when, and I had this piece of rope left over. And I had done a DIY similar to this a while back, and I used it for my living room decor, but it was larger. So what I'm going to make is I'm going to make a little basket using the rope. The one that I did for the living room, again, was a little larger, and because I wanted it to hang in a wall where that was larger, but this one is going in a very, very small wall on the side of my vanity, so I wanted it to be a lot smaller. So I'm just going to wrap it around, roll it around, and secure it with hot glue until the entire rope is rolled around. So I want to tell you really quick here about my new channel, Beauty on Purpose at Home. It's very new. I will be posting regularly, weekly, starting in August, and I'd love to connect with you there as well. I'll have the link down below if you want to check it out. It's all about home decorating, organizing, inspiration, vlogs, shopping hauls, all that good stuff. And I hope to connect there with you as well. So check it out. It's down below.
Just stay with me now till the morning. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could...
And then once that was done, I then added hot glue to the bottom of the basket. And this is a piece of scrap fabric that I had, burlap fabric that I had oh my gosh, like probably 2 years ago from Christmas at Walmart. And I just hot glued and then I cut the excess off so that way it has a bottom to it. And this little piece of jute rope I have again left over from another project, and I'm just going to hot glue it to the inside to create the handle to give it the basket effect. And then we'll be done with this one. And again, I'll show you how it turns out at the end. Alright, so on to my third DIY. I am now going to take these planter hangers, brackets, I think it's what they're called. I got them again for my summer decor. Never got to use them, so I'm going to use them for this DIY. I took 2 of them outside and I am going to spray paint them using Rustoleum flat white. And I gave it only 1 coat, but it was a pretty heavy coat.
Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away.
I'm going to leave that outside and let it fully dry. In the meantime, I'm going to go back inside, and I took this piece of paneling, leftover paneling from other projects. And I know this is not Dollar Tree, however, Dollar Tree has a lot of little signs and cardboard and foam board that you can certainly use. But I had this on hand and I thought it was a perfect size for it. I'm going to paint the opposite side of the white. I'm going to give it 2 coats of the Rustoleum chalk paint in the linen white. That way it's nice and bright and it matches on both sides. And once that was dry, I am now going to put everything together. The brackets are dry and I am going to use the same glue E6000 as well as hot glue, and I am going to glue them to the bottom of the piece of paneling.
I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy.
And once that was dry, I was all done and ready to put it on the wall. And there it is, guys. Look how cute this looks all put together. The shelf I can hang the towel from, and then the little basket just adds that little cute little rustic jute twine look that I love. I added this little Dollar Tree little mug that it's supposed to be like a salt and pepper shaker. And then of course the candle holder, the little tray that I used with the plate that I used with the pot. Everything came together so lovely, and I really love the way it turned out. Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it inspires you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, I ask that you consider subscribing and joining our YouTube family. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. And guys, as always, stay safe and I hope you have a blessed day.
Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen.